heart is ready to break. I cannot but weep and wail. Oh, shame and grief and wonder. Her sons crouch lowly under the footstool of the paltriest foe that ever yet hath wrought them woe. How long, O mother of light and song, how long will they fail to see that men must be bold no less than strong if they truly will to be free? They sit but in silent sadness, while wrongs that should arouse them to madness, wrongs that might wake the very dead, are piled on thy devoted head. Thy castles, thy towers, thy palaces proud, thy stately mansions all, are held by the knaves who cross the waves to lord it in Brian's hall. Britannia, alas, is portress in Cothac's golden fortress, and Ulster's, Avlononia's lands are in the robber stranger's hands. The tribe of Organ is worn with woe, the O'Donnell reigns no more. O'Neill's remains lie mouldering low on Italy's far-off shore, and the youths of the Pleasant Valley are scattered and cannot rally, while foreign despotism unfurls its flag mid hordes of base-born churls. The chieftains of Mars were valorous lords, but their valor was crushed by craft. They fell beneath envy's butcherly dagger and calumny's poisoned shaft. A few of their mighty legions yet languish in alien regions, but most of them, the Frank, the free, were slain through Saxon perfidy. Only the princes of Amy's plains, and the heroes of Green Dunmollane, and the chiefs of the main, we still might hope to baffle our doom and dole. Well, then might the dastard shiver, who heard by the blue bright river. But those great and glorious men shall draw no glaive on earth again. All-powerful God, look down on the tribes who mourn throughout the land, and raise them some deliverer up of a strong and smiting hand. Oh, suffer them not to perish, the race thou wert wont to cherish, but soon avenge their fathers great, and burst the bonds that keep them slaves.